Hi guys, so today has been a very traumatic day with my allergies. I'm so sorry about my appearance right now, but I literally cannot put anything on my face today because I've been sneezing and washing my face like with a cold towel to try to help. So they're just really bad today, so my eyes are just really red and just swollen and bloodshot. Oh gosh, they're so bad today. So, not much to report. I just got some movies from Redbox with my mom, and we're probably gonna watch them, and I'll just sneeze and blow my nose the whole time. So, I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope you guys have a wonderful Father's Day tomorrow. If you don't have fathers, then I'm sending you a hug. But just count your blessings and just hug the people that are around you a little tighter and tell them that you love them. And I love you guys, and I will talk to you tomorrow. And hopefully I won't be having such a bad allergy attack. I'm done with these guys. I'm so over it. Just need one day. Just one day. One day without allergies. That's all I want. Alright, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.